Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2020 Honda Odyssey EXL in Platinum White Pearl. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 74,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, power sliding doors, power sunroof, rear DVD entertainment, third row seating, power liftgate, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D6666A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.